Hi everybody, today I am going to make a no heat recipe which involves flattened rice flakes or beaten rice flakes, which is popularly known as Poha or Aval in India. For making this is a sweet dish. For making this we need about 300 grams of poha, some jaggery, some coconut, 3 bananas, dry ginger powder and cardamom powder. First we have to wash this and remove the dirt from the rice flakes. So rice flakes now, it has been soaked also and I have kept it for draining. Now I'll cut the banana into small slices to be put in this dish. You can cut it according to your size, according to your taste, etc. You can use any variety of banana which is available in the market. This was a common snack which was eaten in almost the whole of India, and it was said to be a popular snack. I often remember coming home from school and having this. The banana is cut. To this I will add the drained poha. This is a very easy recipe. It does not involve any type of fire or cooking anything. Just toast the poha around so that the banana gets coated with the poha. You can use a hand or simply toast it by tilting the. To this I am adding about 2 to 3 spoons of jaggery. This is a jaggery which I have crushed and kept. You can add sugar according to your taste. You can add sugar or you can add other sweeteners of your choice. Honey is also preferred. Honey or date syrup is also preferred in this. You can add dry fruits also. Now to this I will add some coconut. This is about 3 big spoons of coconut. A pinch of 2-3 cardamoms which have been crushed and a pinch of dry ginger powder. You can also add ghee or you can add any other dairy of your choice. You can add milk. Some people add milk to this. Even if you add a little bit of milk powder, it will give a different taste to it. So, poha is ready. You can add dry fruits, peanuts, etc. to this. It's according to your preference. Thank you. Thank you for viewing our channel, and please subscribe and share if you like.